Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Play Store. Click on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Then get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to select Allow and while using in all pop-ups. To start your recording, click on this red button. Now, to add a bookmark, tap on this left one when your recording is unpaused. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK to save your bookmark. You can pause your recording thanks to the same red button. Then unpause it the same way. If you wish to delete it right away, pause it first and tap on the discard button on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it, click on this check mark on the right and then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after all that, my recording was successfully created. You can play it by tapping on it. If you want to rename it, go back, hold it, and click on this icon between pin and heart at the top right corner. Or select those three dots and click on Rename option. Either way, over here type in wherever you wish to and click on Save. OK to save it. Lastly, to delete your recording, hold it. Click on this pin at the top right corner, or after clicking on three dots, select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!